Welcome to the Animal Asana series, where each video looks in detail at the asana, the posture, the pose of the animal you are imitating. And today we find ourselves meeting Salabhasana, the locust. This pose tones and strengthens the entire back of the body, and it provides the foundation for all deeper backbend poses. It teaches correct alignment so that you can progress to the more advanced backbends. The chest and legs will lift and extend in synchronicity and will give a total body tensile strength. The benefits are increased spinal flexibility together with the development of suppleness in the legs, the buttocks and all surrounding muscles of the ribs and upper torso. In turn, this will improve posture, and the opening of the chest will give greater lung capacity. Do not practice this if you are pregnant. So let us move forward now into Salabhasana, the locust. We'll take ourselves into a prone position, lying flat on your belly. Let's stretch and extend our legs away from us. Bring the feet together, the toes touching, and stretch back through the legs. Bring the arms to stretch alongside the body and turn the palms up. Take the time here to connect with your breathing, to relax your neck and throat muscles, to unclench your teeth. Have a couple of rounds of breath to prepare in readiness for lifting your arms parallel to the floor at the same time as lifting your legs. We want to look at stretching from the base of our spine forward to the crown of our head, whilst reaching back into our fingertips and stretching down through the legs towards the toes. So it's almost as if you feel as if you're being stretched in both directions. So you'll have this energy that's drawing down the legs to the toes, and then another energy in opposing pull toward the front, the head and the upper body. So let's get prepared. Take a nice deep breath in and out. And then when you next breathe in, lift the arms, raise the chest, lift the legs. Reach back through the arms to the fingertips, stretch down into the toes, stretch forward through the torso, look forward. See if you can stay for 20 to 30 seconds breathing evenly. And then, with control, lower down. You might like to cross the arms here and just rest the cheek. We'll practice again in a moment. In between, just recheck around the body that you're not holding on to any pockets of tension, that your breath is still a regular rhythmic pattern, that your teeth are unclenched. If you found that too much all in one go, you might like to practice the legs and the chest separately. So you could have the point of chin on the floor, breathe in and just raise the legs. Keep the breath flowing and keep stretching down through the legs to the toes. It's that energy that's drawing back away from you. And then gently lower. And then take a breath in and lift the arms, keeping them parallel to the floor. Look forward. Stretch the arms back toward the fingertips. Breathe. Stretch forward through the trunk of the body. Go as high as you can without straining. And then lower. Once again, cross the arms and rest the cheek and let the breath flow. Lifting the chest and the legs and extending in opposing directions is going to give this pose a tensile strength, a full body workout. Let's go once more, synchronizing legs, chest and arms together. So bring the arms alongside the body, palms of the hands facing up towards the ceiling, legs together, feet together, and then breathe in and synchronize the lifting of the legs, the arms and the chest. Drop the shoulders away from the ears, look forward. Reach back through the arms to the fingertips, reach back through the legs, stretch forward through the torso. Breathe. See if you can lift a little higher. And then, with control, lower down. Allow the toes to drop inward and the heels to drop outward. If you want to go one step further, then we'll do that again, but with the legs bent. So we'll bring the point of chin to touch on the floor, take the arms alongside your body, palms of the hands facing the ceiling, bring your legs together, and then bend the knees. So take a breath in and lift, and see if you can bring the feet back towards the buttocks. See if you can raise the legs higher. And then, under control, release down. Bring the arms to cross the hands and then rest the cheek and let go. Nice deep breath in and out. And when you're ready, bring yourself back to a neutral position, cross-legged or kneeling. Place your hands on your knees. Lift up through the trunk of the body. Sit tall. And have a moment for reflection. To contemplate. Become aware of how you feel internally and externally. drawing in all the nutrients of the posture. Salabhasana, the locust.